we are FS-40 fan factory since 2013. Today, I want to show you the remote control stand fan 501R. Modern design and strong tight grip protects baby's finger from the injury. This is the left side of the fan. It has 3 speeds to choose. Speed 1, Speed 2, and Speed 3. Wide angle oscillation from left to right. Up and down. It is equipped with the LED display and remote control, and it has a timer of 7.5 hours. Adjustable height and stable base. Enjoy cool everywhere. Welcome to contact us FS-40 for more details and price discounts.